He only, if he is a parrot of Srimati Radhika yet, he will sit on the branches of trees of Kamal or Kadam and watch and will be very, very pleased. But yet he cannot serve like Rukmini Devi.
So what kind of bhav does he have? He is watching everything.
So in Shastra it has been told that he is of Shanta Bhav.
Because it is neutral.
बोला है ना. So, but he is in Braja. There is no Sant Bhav in Braja. So, we will have to think that what actually he has ras possessed. When Radhika and Krishna are sleeping in the morning, so tells so many things to awake Radha and Krishna.
That is not Shanta Bhav.
So it is not Shanta Bhav. So you will have to judge all these things.
Then why it says that he is Shanta Bhav?
For Shantaras Bhakta.
Externally it appears like that,
but
not actually.
Like cows have Vatsalya Bhav. So they Krishna.
I just added that.
If a man has greed anyhow to have to drink milk, he saw the milk, and he wants to taste milk, then he will have to go in a process how to get this milk. And he can ask a man who drinks milk how he has achieved that milk. Then he will, by questioning to that, then he will go to Kharidana ki, to purchase the cow. Then he will take it in his home. And he should say that there should be calf means bachara. Without calf, he should not take with calf. And then he will give water or ghee or anything to their breast. After calf takes milk, a man washes that thing, and then he should give on fire to be boiled. And if he wants to sweet, then he should give some sugar. And he wants more thing, then he should be give gulab jal, gulab water, rose water, or kevada, karpur and everything. It will be more sweet. So, for reasoning, we don't want Shastra. But for achieving this thing, process, we should go through Shastra. He has told another thing, that when a man has greed, actually, of Raganuga Bhakti, he should follow Vaidhi Bhakti also. But that Bhakti will not be Vaidhi Bhakti. The ways that Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padashivam. And from very beginning, Guru Charanashraya, and faithfully as a Vishrambha Bhav, he should serve his Gurudev. Vishrambha Bhav means giving fear, no fear at all. No. as a friend, bosom friend. I'm so low and he's so high. That's it. Bandhutva, that he is mine and I am of his. As a son, does not care that I should sit here, my father is here. He at once jump and go in the laps of his father, and he will sit here, and he will touch here and there by hands here, and serves his father. More than that, a qualified having greed, he will serve his Gurudev, from where he is collecting all these things. So service is needed. From Guru Charanashramani Diksha to 10 numbers in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, 64, first 10. And all these things will have to do. But bhav will change, not as a bhakti, Vaidhi Bhakti. A Vaidhi Bhakti disciple will sit here and pray to Gurudev. Gurudev, give me order to do it. Or if he gives any order. And as a servant, as a das, he will do all the service. And a great person will serve, that I have told previously. No fear, no bhed, no difference. He will see that I am he, her, he is. So all the Vaidhi Bhakti anga means arts, should be done by this Raganuga Vaishnava also.
But with a
different mood. If he gives up or वो क्या कहते हैं उसको rejects, he will not enter, and his greed also will be stopped. So this should follow. If a man has actually greed and wants to follow, for them in Srimad Bhagavatam it is written that Bhagavan comes in the shape of Guru to him, as a Chaitya Guru and a Dikha Guru both. And here we should know that Guru is Akhanda Tattva, from Nityananda Prabhu or Shankaracharya. Because Gurudev gives everything what Baldev Prabhu or Nityananda Prabhu has come to give. That one he thinks he gives. His all instructions are of Baldev Prabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. So we should regard him as Nityananda Prabhu or Baldev Prabhu. So it is told that Dadami Buddhi Yogam Pang Jain Mam Upayantite in Gita. If a surrendered soul is there, Krishna gives everything in mind. Dadami Buddhi Yogam, I gave him wisdom how to bhakti have been achieved. Krishna gives that. But openly he does not give. He gives in the heart. So, when a pure greed is there, then Krishna gives in mind as a spurti. Spurti, you know? Spurti means he makes, give thoughts, inner thoughts, how a man can achieve me. Krishna gives this idea. So as a Chaitya Guru he gives. And he gives instruction as a Diksha Guru or Shiksha Guru. one whose heart are pure and there is sanskar, then Krishna himself manifests all these siddhant. How to achieve?
They say dictates. It dictates within the heart.
Dictates in the heart, certainly. Dictates in the heart. So, anyone's other persons are saying that he has no guru and it is how he knew. Here is it that Krishna manifests or dictates himself whether anyone sees or not. Something I feel in myself also. I have not read anything. I have not seen it. I have not heard. But yet, sometimes so beautiful things comes in my heart. Perhaps you have also this thing. You will have surely. When he serves his Gurudev, I think that he should certainly have all these things. Guru is not present in our side, but he will manifest all these things. Now he begins. Now he begins. He is telling that in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu there are 3 sloks. Sloks, you know? Sloks, 3 sloks. By which we can enter in Raganga Bhakti. These 3 important sloks are, first is Krishnam Smaranam Jananchasya Preshtam Nija Samihitam Tat Tat Katha Rataschau Kuryat Vasam Prajesada. First is this. Second is Seva Sadhak Rupena Siddhurupena Chakrahi Tatbhav Lipsuna Karja Brajlokanusara. And third is Samanot Kirtanadini Vaidhi Bhakti Uditani Cha Janyanyani Ta Tanyatra Vigyayani Manishiti. There is 3 slokas. And now he is taking one slok, one by one, and giving his tika, commentary. एक घंटा हो गया कितना बज गया 11 तो what will they will do?
You need 1 hour?
एक तो होते दो तात्पर्य फ्रेश ना को you have taken bath or no?
We don't need to do that.
अच्छा तभी तो रान्ना होच्छे तो भोग হয়েছে उठा तब तक हम 10 मिनट হ্যাঁ ना ना कथा द्वारा कथा अच्छा जा और 10 मिनट से तब तक घर में भोग हो जाए थोड़ा सा स्नान कर ले I have seen some reddish in my very they have told that it will come for a month or 2. It will.
So what do you have to do?
Nothing to do. He is telling that we should stop or not. 10 minutes we should do. But the subject is very deep.
If you discuss 3 slokas at a time, it will waste.
अच्छा एक तो हो ही अच्छा फर्स्ट श्लोक we take.
Which place this is, this slope? Which part of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu? Where
I can.
You can see that you can also see हाँ where पूर्व भाग लास्ट Krishnam Smaran. Wording is this: to Krishna, we remembering of Krishna, and remembering of his Prestha. Prestman, dears.
Dear ones.
It may be Sakha, Vasalya, and for all it is. But especially he is telling of Madhur Ras. Here, Smarnim to Smaran Krishna, remembering of Krishna. How you do Smaran? Krishna is in Seva Kunj or Bansivat. He has very smiling face. On his lips, here, he has put a very beautiful bansi here. He is smiling. His eyes are searching, are deers, very chanchal. Chanchal means restless. Searching here and there. Gopis are coming. When Krishna sees gopis, he is overjoyed. He has no control on his body and mind. At that time, being himself God, he unremembers everything. What he does, Krishna does not know. How I am looking, he does not know. He becomes Tribhanga Lalit, Lalita Tribhanga. This is very beautiful. And he is sing from the core of her eyes. And especially, so many gopis are there. Thousands and thousands of gopis are there. But his eyes are searching one gopi. To whom? And she is delaying. And far away, he saw that she is coming. Then what will be the appearance of Krishna? So smaraning, remembering with all these facts is remembering of Krishna. He has so many virtues. Kishore Krishna. It has been given in Jaiva also. We have. What is the what are the qualities of Krishna in Kishore, in Sringar Ras, different in every Ras. So having all the qualities of Madhurya Bhav, one should remember Krishna with gopis. They can remember that Krishna is playing Pasha, gambling. He is cheating gopis, and gopis are cheating. Gopis wants to stole his float, and so remembering Krishna and his Priyajana. How is gopis, and especially how is Srimati, and what is doing that very gopi to whom I have been agreed. I have agreed upon that. What she is doing? Here not Radha is what doing. Lalita Vishakha is doing. You only have to have very keen interest to see what she is doing, that I want to have that thing. Rup Manjari. We are seeing that Radhika is so much pleased, and seeing pleased that gopi, Rup Manjari, is so much pleased. She is giving water in a golden pot. Sometimes he is giving chamar very slowly and very. Sometimes he is fancy, seeing that they are very tired. Accordingly she does, and watching very straight that what she is doing, how she is doing all these things. So remembering all these things in this Raganuga Bhakti is how to enter all these things. And that remembrance should not be broken. Then we can have that. Smaranam Krishna and Jananchasya means remembering all the gopi, and especially the gopi to whom I have been interested. And tat katharata with our relation to Guru, Shiksha Guru, and that Premi Guru, Raganuga Guru, to whom we are hearing, we should have discourse about what they are doing, how they are doing service.
They are means
Krishna and Rup Manjari are all Sakhis, and especially what Rup Manjari is doing. What our Guru is doing in Sakhi ways, in Sakhi body. We should have to talk what are they doing. As sometimes I used to tell any pastime of Krishna, likewise. And that person should always be in Vrindavan. And if he has no chance to live in Vrindavan bodily, then he should live surely by mind there. Without living, he will not have that kind of love. So it is necessary three things. Smaranam Krishna, that Krishna. Smaranam Jananchasya, always in conversation, that pastime, and being in Vrindavan. What is it? Being in Vrindavan? By mind and by body. Both it is, if it is. And if it is not possible, then by mind. We should live in Vrindavan. We should live in Sevakund. We should live in Saket. We should always try to live in Javat. And if you have qualification, then we should live in Radhakund, in daytime, in midday, and all day with Radhika. And with that lady, Gopi, to whom we have been convinced. This should be done. Today, yes. And after 2 sloka I will tell. It will take perhaps 3 days.
more. 3 days more.
Then you can understand something. And if I am hurry, you should know. He has a question that if a man wants to live in Vrindavan by mind, that his body will also come. If his खूब यदि will उसकी अच्छी तरह से हो गई, if he wants solely, I am telling that man has not been so qualified. He has some other duties also. He thinks that this duty should be done, this work should be done, And there are so many facilities here. So being far away, by mind he can have. But he will have a little. But those who are like Raghunath Das Goswami, my home should be burnt if anyone. If I am not here, anyone may burn my house. And if I go to Vrindavan, what will be of my parents and children and wife? No, they should die. My Guru Dev had told to preach, and I have to preach. I have duty. So but when this greed will be in its full contest, everything we will disremember. We will
Forget.
Then at that stage, no anything will come. And whole world will think that he is only Guru. As Rupa Goswami and Raghunath Goswami. We are still following as a Gurudev. And what we are doing preaching? Their words we are preaching. Your Gurudev's words. If a man will see that the word is Tamal Krishna. Swami Maharaj's word is Tamal Krishna and Giriraj. Then they will bound to take your all everything. That at that time there will be no harm of preaching and anything. And that will be the real preaching. But I don't know how many births and time will take to be this. But any day we'll have to live preach. We'll have to go in Vrindavan Golok. There is no preaching, only service. And if you want, from there, as the Rupa Goswami came with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and preached, you can also preach your spiritual master coming again in this world.
Danadhar Maharaj and myself were not here last time, but we listened to the tape.
We have to ask Maharaj, what was the hand motion you were doing that we didn't get?
Manjari.
About the manjari. And you said, and then it is like this. So, we have to...
He will describe more than me.
He has told us. This is your realization.
You told us that it was not in any book.
Vivid, very clear.
My understanding from that example was that the heart of Rupa Manjari is so dedicated to Srimati Radharani that she feels everything that Srimati Radharani feels, and even more like that. So then I also understood by your statements at the end that one must be dedicated to his guru in the same way, and then that same is passed. So without the surrender, completely giving the heart to the guru, then it doesn't work, especially Radharani.
In Sanskrit, it is called tadatmya. Like fire enters in iron. Then iron knows that I am fire and does the work of fire. No? Here also, Rupa Goswami and all Manjari are tadatmya with Radha. So the action of Radha is action of all Manjari. What she realizes, every Manjari realizes all. Anything is not hidden to Manjari. Her Sakhi, it can be anything that should be hidden, but not for Manjari. Have you interest?
Oh yes, so much. Just from what you are speaking, it is already very much helpful.
What is this?
I wanted to have reference for the other two
What?
verses.
What's this?
Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu.
Oh. I've told 3 slokas. First, Krishnam Smaran, Jananchasya, Preshtam Nija Samihita, Tat Tat Katharatascha, Kuryad Vasam Bhajisara. Have you found this sloka? I've told the meaning. By remembering Krishna and by remembering Samajatiya Krishna Priyajan. Sakha, a man who has greed of like gopis of Sringar Ras, they will remember Krishna Anukul, favorable to Sringar Ras, Kishore Krishna, and have described that. And to whom you have greed, the action of that gopi, that manjari, you should always remember what she does to Jugal, Radha and Krishna. The Krishna of Sakha is not Krishna of gopis. The Krishna father and mother is not the same as gopis. So difference is there. So we should remember Krishna as we have greed or desire. And similarly to Krishna Jan, Jan mane priya, mane asray. With Radhika, Krishna, Lalita Vishakha, all are there. What is the duty in what they are doing? Manjari. This should remember. And the pastimes between them. This should remember. Tat tat katha ratascha. Always remembering with rati, with bhav, with emotion,
Yeah.
with emotion and love. The pastime between Radha and Krishna. But always you will have to look after where my greed is and what she is doing, how she is doing the service. So I will have to follow that routine. How she get the love of Krishna to, from Radhika, from Lalita Vishakha, and all others. And what are her duty towards them? Kuryad Vasam Braje Sada, and always living in Vrindavan. If by bodily we cannot live there, we should live by mind. Seva साधक रूपेण सिद्ध रूपेण चात्र तद्भाव लिप्सना कार्या ब्रज लोकानुसारता. सेवा मीन्स सर्विस. साधक रूपेण as a sadhak of Raganuga bhakti does. And Siddha Rupena, and service by his Siddha body. This Siddha body can be had if a man has so much greed, then by the grace of his Guru, by grace of Krishna in inner heart, he will have. Then by Siddha Sari, in Chaitanya Charitamrita is also written, Nija Siddha Deha Kariya Bhavan, Divaratra Kare Radha Krishna Sevan. Every man has, every jeev, every soul has their own Siddha Sari. Every. We are also. But now, our Siddha Sari is not manifested. It is as a karan, beej.
Kuta beej.
It is like a bees. In bees, whole tree is there. So in our Siddha Swarup, everything is there. But now, as we are Bahirmukh, so is our not. Then by the grace of Guru and Gauranga, we have greed, and the greed will be upmost. Then Shiksha Guru or Diksha Guru, they can show it. At first they will tell that what is your soul. Like in Jaiva Dharma we see Brajanath and Vijay Kumar. Our Siddha Sarup is in latent condition. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur has told in a one life, but I see so many births are there. She has only showed a path. So, when they took Diksha, they saw that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's whole parikar is standing there. But at Diksha time, we could not see. This is the difference. But a realized soul can see at the time. This is a real Diksha. We have entered in the class of taking Diksha, but our Diksha is not complete. So we are in a class now. God may have grace and Guru that we should take Diksha. Divya Gyan. Divya Darshan. Divya Gyan means here Darshan. We will have the Darshan like Vijay Kumar and Prasad. He became at once faint. So afterward, when he took all the necessary Shiksha at Navadvip to that Babaji, and by his order for further Shiksha, training, he went to Puri and met Bakreshwar Pandit. Bakreshwar also Gopal Guru. He was the Raganuga Vaishnava. And he is one of the 8 Sakhi. So he went there and asked questions, and he was so merciful that afterward, one by one, called them and told that you are this, and you are this. He gave Sakhya Bhav, he realized that he is up to Sakya Bhav. And for Vijay Kumar, he realized that he is of Gopi Bhav, Manjari Bhav. So he gets, his Gurudev has given Gopal mantra to both Ashtadas Sakshar or Dasakshar. In Dasakshar, Dasya Sakha Vasalya Madhur.